Hi everyone, we're going to open up some Easter eggs from Marvel. So there's like Spider-Man and all those superheroes in here. It says it's with candy, characters and candy. So that's good. I'm going to open them now. I got this bag. Here's the back of it. We have Captain America. We have Spider-Man. And another guys. Ooh. Okay. We have blue eggs, purple, red, yellow. So we'll start with this one. It's Captain America. So there's some candy in here. We just got candy. No stickers. This is Spider-Man. Oops. This one's a little harder, so I'll just nick it with the scissors. Here we go. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. So the candy is blue, yellow, pink, and orange. Let's try a yellow one. So there's no sticker so far, only candy. Only candy. So far there's just candy. Let's try a green one. Whoops, sorry. The green one is... Well, it's got a few of them on it. It's Captain America and Spider-Man. Just candy. No stickers, no toys. Let's try a purple one. Come on, Marvel. Give us something cool. My music is care of my drum machine by IRONMAN. Nope, same candy. I think they're all going to have the same candy. So there's nothing else. I don't think there's anything else. We've opened a few of these eggs now, and there's only the same candy. And it looks like there's pink candy, blue, orange, yellow. Let's see what's in here. We just have 4 candies in here. We have 2 blues, 1 orange, 1 yellow. This one we had more candy. I don't know why there was only 4 in that one. Strange. So there's different amounts of candy in each egg. So imagine if you were to split them and you got this one with 4 and your friends got that one with like 8. So the candy is uneven. Uneven candies. But you know what? There's different faces on the candy. There's Spider-Man. I guess there's Captain America. And then there's, what's his name? What is his name? This guy. You guys know him. I know him too. I'm running a blank right now. I'm a little disappointed in just getting candy and nothing else. No toy, no stickers, no tattoos, no lollipops. No gummy candies. No gum. Just the same candy. Yeah. So that's it, guys. That's what's in these Easter eggs. Just candy. So if you're the one that gets the package with 4 candies, maybe your friend can give you an extra candy. So this is the superhero eggs. I'm just going to open all of them, just to be sure that there's no hidden surprise in any of the other eggs. Because you never know. I could be wrong, though. Oh, and what do you know? I find where to rip them after. All those eggs. Okay, so there's a little dotted line. You just have to find it. There it is. And then it just rips off. And then you just open them. There we go. This one has more blue. It's another one with just 4 in it. Oh, that's a little disappointing. This was like $5.99 or something like that. Well, at least they got a lot of candy. At least they got a lot of candy. Last one. Oh, this one's a weird one. Look, I'm going to show you. This one has... Oh, that's cool. So either it was a mistake or it was just a cool egg. So they have... Like, it was supposed to be 1 egg and they just clicked another one in. So it's a 3-part egg with 1 little pouch of candy. So that was funny. So that's it. We got lots of candy. Lots of candy. So this is what candy looks like. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my Marvel opening of Easter eggs. Watch my other videos. But your prize is lots of candy. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you for watching.